Hey yo, welcome to Michigander Outdoors. Today, again, this is like a reoccurring theme. We're doing something different. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've been to Thailand a bunch of times, and I have a lot of footage. My problem is, I never really made any videos about it. Right now, I'm not really fishing. I'm getting ready for hunting, so I could do some videos on that. In the middle of all that, I'm gonna just kind of spritz a little culture for you guys. Give you some footage of my time in Thailand. This, again, before COVID, this first video, gonna be a waterfall. Only for the locals. I was one of the very few I could count them on my hand. They call us Phalangs, foreigners, that was there. Everyone else was Thai. So it's kind of cool because a lot of times when you go to Thailand, it's very touristy. Crowds of people that don't care. Getting just kind of hang out with the locals. It was fun. But don't worry, this is still Michigander Outdoors. It feels like it's 150 degrees out. This is an old Ranger. What did you just say about this place? Alana? Apparently we're in for a treat. I'm not going to tell you the name of this place because I'm the only white person that's ever been here. It's only known by the locals. So I don't want to ruin that for them. So sorry, bro. Not OSHA approved. Hey, choi doi. Okay, go swimming. Where's our... children and adults. What is that? Get pissed in here. Can he swim? Like if it's no? I have seen only 2 other white people here. This is forbidden fruit for us, where all the locals go.